Okay, Arnis fundamentals, babanggitin ko na lang. Ito yung grip, ito yung handa, ito yung pugay, okay? Yan yung Arnis fundamental skills. Hindi ko na babalikan ha. Ito naman yung stances. Pag sinabi nating stances, ito yung kumbaga yung ready stance. Ayan. Ready stance to perform any attack or block. Kumbaga parang sa basketball yung triple threat. So, pwede kang mag-dribble, pwede kang mag-shoot, pwede kang pumasa. Sa Arnis naman, ito yung mga stances. Ibig sabihin ng stances, these are the position wherein you can perform immediately any skill that you want. It's either blocking, it's either striking, or just performing a block. Okay? Ito, handa sa laban or fighting stance. Pag sinabing fighting stance, one foot in front, keep the feet apart, distance from one foot, both knees are slightly bent. Bakit slightly bent? Para makagawa ka na, medyo flexible yung katawan mo kasi once na naka-stretch out yan or nakadiretso, ganun pa rin yan, magbe-bend pa rin yan. Eh. So, we lessen the reaction time by lessening the actions that we'll be making before making any movement. Kaya binebenda natin yan para maging para tayong springy, parang spring, naka-ready. Kumbaga naka-ano siya, naka flexible position. Okay? So weight evenly distributed here. Ito yung ating pinaka center of gravity nandyan banda. Okay, ito sa gitna. Nasa gitna yung center of gravity natin. So pwede tayong mag-block, pwedeng mag-block, okay, pwedeng mag-strike. Okay, ito yung pantay, yung paa natin. So minsan nga pantay itong ilong dito. Yan. Yan, pantay yan dyan. Ito naka-extend. So ito yung ating parang uh, tawag ito, yung area of ano natin, striking. Okay, yan. Kapag medyo lumapit yung kalaban dito, mapapalo talaga siya. Yan yung handa sa laban. Ngayon, yung forward stance naman, wherein you extend some part of your body. Starting with the ready stance, move one foot forward. So from a handa sa laban, ito yung foot natin. One foot forward. So forward stance na yan. So sa aming forward stance, we put some our foot we extended a little bit from a ready stance, yung handa sa laban. And both toes are pointing in front. Ibig sabihin, para makapag-launch tayo ng forward attack or forward strike or something like a block. Pwede rin block kasi pero ang forward stance kasi we are engaging on an attack actually. Kaya nga tayo nagpo-forward is to extend our attack to reach the opponent. So both distribute the weight or the center of gravity on both legs. So dito, mapupunta rito yung ating center of gravity. Dito ba? Kasi kanina na parang nasa likod eh. So kung titingnan natin kanina yung center of gravity natin, medyo naka-atras ng konti. Ngayon nasa gitna na. Okay? Ngayon, yung backward stance naman, so from this, ito yung paa kanina, lumipat paatras. So, ilang naman ang pinagkaiba niyan eh. Parehas yung kamay, parehas yung pwesto nung natin, pwesto. Pero atras yung natin, yung ating stick kasi nga nag-forward and nag-backward stance tayo eh. Sa backward stance, starting with the ready stance, ito muna siya. So, atras lang natin, we move our foot 45 degrees kasi kanina halos nakaturo sa harapan eh. Ngayon, naka 45 degrees tayo pag ganyan. So, yan na 45 degrees. So, we anticipate an attack, then we block and the backward stance. So, distribute the weight and sort of gravity on the both legs, pero usually parang umaatras yan ng konti. So, kanina, yan, dito yung natin, center of gravity. So, hindi natin kailangan baguhin yung likod natin, hindi natin kailangan baguhin yung hawak natin, yung grip natin, pati yung defensive hand natin. Hindi natin babaguhin na. Yan na yung natin, stance natin. Pero actually, you can do an attack here. You can do a block here also. Pwede na ito mag-block dito. Pwede rin mag-block. Pwede rin mag-attack dito. It's either way. Kasi naka-ready stance tayo. Naka-forward stance and backward stance. Hindi naman tayo naka-pugay or tawag ito yung kanina, naka-handa. position. Okay? So we can attack or block or evade an attack here. Okay? So let's go. Then yung stances, may pumapasok ulit. Kisha May Mancera, it's nice to be with you here in the Google Meet. Stick exercises. Okay? So ito, papaikutin lang naman ito. Hindi ko na masyado papaliwanag to kasi mga ano lang naman to eh. Ito, papaikutin. Okay, ito naman, cross. Cross yan. So ito yung pangalawa. Wrist rotation, cross arm wrist rotation. Okay? So pwede nyo paikutin, pwedeng hindi. So habang nagko-cross yan, pinapaikot nyo yung, okay? Ingat lang kasi baka magtama yung dalawang ano na yan. Stick na yan at mapalo nyo pa yung kamay nyo. Okay, ingat lang. Okay, next is stick exercise. Ito yung wing stretcher. So be sure to have a good grip. Huwag tamaan yung kamay nyo during the wing stretcher. Okay, ni-stretch nito yung ating tawag ito, muscles here. Yung nga pala, yung kanina, we are actually warming up our arms. Dito naman yung ating shoulders kasama ng ating chest muscles and also yung mga shoulder muscles natin dito. So, kailangan yan kasi medyo ano yung arnis medyo strenuous activity. So ito naman yung stretch natin, ito. Kasama na rin yan, pati arms natin, pati yung ating sa upward and downward exercises. Pagdating naman sa sa 12 striking techniques, ito po yan, yung mga lugar na yan. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Tingnan nyo yung pattern niya ha. Left, right, tapos left, yung left nung kalaban nyo, pero right nyo yan. So ito yung striking technique kung saan tatama yung palo nyo. Hindi yung kung saan, kumbaga nasa nyo, sa mirror to Nakaharap ka sa mirror, kunwari. So ito yung 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5. Tandaan nyo yung 5 nasa chan. Tapos, tataas yan. 6, 7. Okay? Dito ba na pupunta? Burahin natin ng konti. Okay? So, 5, then 6, then 7, then 8, 9, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay? So, hindi naman yan actually nasusunod during the anyo, pero it will serve as a fundamental skill or at pag marunong na kayo, parang wala nang pattern yan. Kumbaga ano lang yan, tinuturo as a 12 striking technique. Hindi man kailangan sunod-sunod yan pagka papalo kayo. So 1, 2, pwedeng 1, 3, 1, 3, 8 or 2, 4, 8, 2, 4, 9 or 1, 2, then 12, pwedeng ganon. Okay? This is to hit the vital points and of the body as targets, means of slashing or stabbing or thrusting actions. All techniques are performed with a fighting stance. So, kunyari, gusto nyong mag-ready stance, handa muna, ready fighting stance, and then pag forward na kayo, gagamit kayo ng forward stance. So, pagka atras na kayo at tapos na kayo sa sa palo nyo, mag-backward stance na kayo. So, yun. Okay? Ganun yung doon, yung pinaka tawag ito, pinaka gamit talaga ng ready stance saka forward and backward stance. Okay? Kailangan tandaan nyo to So, hitting the vital points. Kasi pag ito napalo nyo, actually, makakripple na yan Kapag napuruhan nyo sa may bandang ulo, actually, tapos na rin ang laban Kaya pagka mga naglalaro nito, talagang naka full gear. So, natin Naku, patay kang bata ka. Lobat ako. Wait a minute lang Lobat Kalimutan ko isaksak. So, basahin ko na lang muna So, ito yung 12 striking techniques. Ano nangyari? Tumabingi yan. Yun. Napindot ka ata. Hindi naman to touchscreen. Para mapindot. Okay. Wait lang. Yung, kasaksak na. Lumiwanag ba? Excuse me?
Ganun pa rin
So,
po.
gumanon ba rin ba? Pangit pa rin ba presentation ni teacher niya? Okay. So, striking technique number o ST1. ST1 na lang sabihin ko. Left temple. Strike number 2 is the right temple. Strike number 3 is the left arm. So, ito yung left arm natin. Ito yung left arm natin. Strike number 4 is the right arm. Stomach, left chest is number 6. 7 is the right chest. Striking number 8 is right leg. Ito siya. So, striking number 9. Nakikita ba yung pointer ko, yung lapis?
Opo.
Opo.
Very good.
Opo.
Akala ko di nakikita eh. Striking technique number 9 is the left leg. Ito ba ang left? Ayan. Dito iba, no? Parang iba,
Kasi
no?
po aras, ano
Par-
po ata sir kasi salamin.
Sige, sige. 9 is left leg. 10 is left eye. Sa left eye. 10. 11 is the right eye and head. Pero actually, pagdating naman sa striking techniques in the real striking of Ernest, hindi naman kailangan talaga ma-follow yan. Kumbaga, guide lang po yung striking techniques na yan. Then, let's go with the blocking techniques. So, ito, ang pwedeng i-block nito yung sabihin natin yung ST1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Ito yung ST12. Kasi crown attack to eh. Yung 12, crown attack yan. So, ito naman is yung ST5. Striking technique number 5 sa stomach. Okay? Ito naman, yung sabihin natin yung right leg tsaka 8-9. Right leg tsaka left leg. So, kung papalo ka sa left side, ito yung sa left leg. Ito yung sa right leg. So, halos ano lang yan. Kumbaga, ito naman, pwede rin ito pwede to sa ano, tawag ito, 1, 2, 3, 4. ST 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, pwede rin yan. Pero usually, ano to eh, sa 7-6. Sa left chest and right chest to eh. Burahin natin to. Okay. So, left chest, left and right chest. Okay? So, either way, basta kung saan tumama yan, yung mga ano na yan, automatic pwede nga naman gamitin din ito. Pwede ito during the right and left chest attack or yung left temple or right shoulder attack. Pwede rin naman yan. Pero actually, kung gagamitin nyo to, mag-interchange kayo. Kung ano lang naman yung pinaka-convenient gamitin. Pero ito lang yung prescribe na gamitin during a right chest attack and 1 to 3 for striking technique attack and then 12, ito yung sa 12, ito naman yung sa 5, left leg, right leg. So these are called blocking techniques. Okay? So maganda sana kung meron tayong face to face. You can really enjoy this one having with doing this with your partner. Okay? So ano tayo? Parang review na. So mabilis lang. Arnis is a martial arts that can be performed individually with a partner. Actually, yung Arnis is a national martial art ng Pilipinas, which is ang sikat na player din ito, si Mike Defensor. Tama ba? Mike Defensor ba? Si, Bali ata ako. Sino ba yung nakaaway man ni ni Duterte nun? Na magaling mag-arnis? Zubiri. Miguel Zubiri. Okay? Miguel Zubiri. Yan. Ano rin yan, magaling din mag-arnis. And during the time of Gloria, Na-declare yan as national martial arts ng Pilipinas. Handa is a position wherein our shoulder with the part stick is held in front of the body, placing the weapon across the chest and bowing by bending the waist at the waist called pugay. Pwede rin namang neck lang. Arnis, proper way of holding it is using your fingers 3 to 4 inches or 1 fist away from the, pero sabi ko nga, pwedeng 1 to 2 inches lang. Basic stances, ito yung forward, tawag ito, ito yung ready stance, forward stance, and backward stance. Ito yung 12 striking techniques wherein you can perform this using the stances. Okay? Ito naman yung anyo. Sabihin ng anyo is a application of all the styles throughout one's training and perform with a specific weapon. Pwedeng baston, pwedeng with the beat or a tempo or timing or agility with a fighting spirit. Okay, pwede rin itong gawin yung, kumbaga, pwede kayong sumali ng mga competition in RDs. And at the same time, tawag ito, pwede nyo rin maging self-defense to or part of your exercise routine para maging healthy. Hindi lang pang self-defense. Kasi kahit ano naman na sport kung kumbaga, it can be a form of exercise. Kaya iba-iba lang talaga yung uhilig natin kapag ganun. Baston is a primary weapon in Arnis. Traditionally, may brumratan, kamagong, or bahi, or wood. So, kung gusto nyo ng kamagong na Arnis na weapon, usually marami dyan sa Baguio. Okay? Punta lang kayo sa mga souvenir stores. Marami yan, actually. Okay? Synchronize, ito yung anyo forms that can be performed by a solo team or a partner. Yung espada idaga, ito yung Spanish term for sword and dagger. Ito yung parang sword tapos may dagger. Iba kasi niyan itak talaga eh. Itak tapos may kutsilyo. Okay? So yan ang gamit nila, sword and dagger. So ito yung iba-ibang discipline ng Arnis. Pwedeng empty-handed, pwedeng may grappling, pwedeng pang pin down, pwedeng attacking or just defending. Yan ang Arnis. Okay? So may tanong pa ba?
Wala po, sir.
Okay. Bibigay ko yung link doon sa inyong inyong messages dito. Hindi sa GC basahin niyo yung message dito sa Google Meet natin. Doon ko ilalagay. Tapos sagutan nyo. Isasara ko siya ng 12. Okay? So bubuksan ko lang to open ko lang tong Google Meet. Pero pag napindot nyo na yung tawag ito, napindot nyo na yung link, pwede na kayong tawag ito, mag-leave. Okay? O si Gabriel na wala. Bubuksan ko lang to ha. Okay. Wait lang ha, wait lang. Huwag niyo ipapadala to sa ha. Ay, wait lang, wait lang, wait lang. Sarado ko muna yung record. Ulitin ko sinabi ko. Ayan.